Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel, I give review about skincare and hair care products. So today, I will review about a skincare product called Beauty Formula Vitamin C Eye Patches. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Beauty Formula Eye Patches with hyaluronic acid helps your eye feel fresher and brighter. Beauty Formula Vitamin C delivers an advanced skincare range to help review your inner glow. Actively formulated with vitamin C to provide the goodness your skin needs to thrive, looking bright, fresh, and invigorated. The eye gel patches are created with combination of effective moisturizing agents to help restore your skin's natural hydration, developed with hyaluronic acid and natural peptide to replenish the skin lost goodness. How to use Beauty Formula Vitamin C Eye Patches. Ensure that your skin is clean and free of makeup and creams. Remove patches from the pack and place immediately under eye. Leave it on your eye within 20 to 25 minutes. Gently remove patches, taking care not to pull the skin. Caution: if irritation occurs, discontinue use. If symptoms persist, seek medical advice. If you have used this Beauty Formula Vitamin C eye patches, tell us how you feel about the product. If the product is good or bad or it has any side effect, just talk to us. Drop your comment on the comment section. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.